Hello, fellow gardeners. Today I'm sharing my top 5 gardening mistakes and how you can fix them. Mistake number 1, overwatering. I almost drowned all my plants, especially since we live in South Africa, so it does get quite hot. So we do need a lot of water, but you can still overdo it, and that's exactly what I did. If you are using pots, make sure there is good drainage. You can also mix in some compost for better airflow. Check the soil moisture often. If it looks like this, you can still leave it for a day or two. It's pretty moist. Mistake number 2, wrong plant placement. Before I started my garden, I would sacrifice one full day to mark the sunny and shady areas. But then our neighbor's tree got so high it started throwing more shade than we planned. So the cabbage and sweet potatoes especially are struggling and need more sun. However, the strawberries have been doing better now than they have before. Before you plant, mark the sunny areas throughout the day, especially next to the house or even higher walls and trees. Rather plan on paper and then decide where you want to plant what based on where you marked shady areas and sunny areas. Another thing that happened to us especially, planting tomatoes even as close as 3 meters to potatoes can actually make these fruits that are neither tomatoes nor potatoes. Now let's talk about mistake number 3, easily missed or overlooked. Never skip pruning. Regularly check your plants, trim off any dead leaves, any dodgy looking leaves. You can even trim off areas that look like they might carry pests before it spreads to other leaves or branches. Prune for shape, better airflow and fruiting. Take my tomatoes for example. I prune them to encourage upward growth for more sunlight, less disease risk and more fruit. Same for the fruit trees. I keep them trimmed so they're easier to harvest. Mistake number 4, ignoring pests. Trim off moldy areas on citrus leaves. If it's minimal, just snip it off. But if it's all over, grab a wet cloth and wipe each leaf. For any pests, soapy sprays can work, but it's harsh on some plants. My go-to is neem oil for repelling whiteflies, mites and scale. I mix 3 ml neem oil, 1 liter of water and 2 drops of dish soap. Spray on the leaves top to bottom. Also, fun fact is with most of the vegetables, you can have marigolds among the plants. So I have marigolds right through the garden and they also repel any pests. Mistake number 5, not testing soil. Test the pH. I check mine with a pH meter, super easy. For acid lovers like blueberries, I often add in some vinegar to the water to bring down the pH. Plants like tomatoes and peppers love slightly acidic soil between pH 6 and 7. If your soil is too acidic, you can mix in some wood ash as this neutralizes acidic soil. So there you have it. Thanks so much for watching and happy growing. See you in the next one.